This is going to be 2014 Leaf Trinity 2-box break 46, 90, and 91. And let's go ahead and screen share everybody in the break. All right, Mark M at the top, Jim M, you're at the bottom. We're going to copy and paste this into random.org. It's always random 7 times. Here we go. All right, there is 1. Here comes number 2, 3. Make it razzle dazzle. 4, 5, 6, and 7. All right. Daniel D at the top, Mark M, you're at the bottom. We're going to copy and paste this into our Leaf Trinity player checklist, which is right there. Boom. And let's screen share this out here for you guys. Any trouble seeing your player names, let me know, and I will gladly help you out. All right. We have a few non-sport personal boxes on the site, like Benchwarmer and a couple others, but mainly group breaks. Let's see, who got old Chris Bryant? Jim M, Mr. Top Gun. All right. Let's see, who got my boy Kolick, Mark M. Yeah, SOA's on there. Yeah, there's a few personal breaks on there. Alright guys, I'll leave it up there for a second for you guys. I'm going to make any trades on spots or what have you. Gotcha. Alright guys, nobody's trading, man, so let's just go here. Nobody's trading up. So let's just go. Alright, good luck guys. 2-boxer Leaf Trinity coming at you. Here we go. The old 2-boxer. Let's see what we got here in this one. Alright. Alright, first up is a Foster Griffin right here. Pure charcoal with the blue auto. Foster Griffin, that is Nick M coming out to you. Nick M. Very nice. Foster Griffin. Coming out to you, Nick. Alright, next up we got a Grant Holmes. Check this out, Grant Holmes right here. That is a 2-color patch auto right there, Grant Holmes. And that's Nick M again coming out to you. Nick M with back-to-back hits. Very nice. Nick M coming out to you. Yep, just put it on YouTube, Joe. Just put it on YouTube, man. Next up, we got a Scott Blewett. Check that out, Scott Blewett. What a great name for a pitcher. Hopefully he's not a closer. That is Scott A coming out to you. Scott A. Got you a Scott Blewett card. All right. Very nice. Like I said, hopefully that guy doesn't end up being a closer. That is great. Alright, next up we got a 18 of 25 Go Astros right here. Focus for me. There you go. There we go. 18 of 25 right there, Derek Fisher. That's going to go out to John C. right there, John C. Very nice, Derek Fisher for John C. All right, and ooh, good one here. Number 210, gold. Check that out, Justice Sheffield. That is a 4-color patch auto. Very nice. Justice Sheffield right there. Let's see. And that one is going to go out to, who's got him? John C. John C hits a number of 10 right there. Nice patch indeed. Going out to John C. Hits another one. All right. All right, so guys, that was box number 1. We're off to a good start here in the 2-boxer. We're off to a good start. All right, next up, here we go. Let's see what's in this one. All right. All right, first up, Jacob Lindgren right here. Pure charcoal with the blue auto right there, Jacob Lindgren. And let's see, that's going to go out to Dave R right there. Dave R. Very nice, Jacob Lindgren. Dave R, that is you. All right, next up is Lucas Giolito right here. Check that patch out. That's crazy. Lucas Giolito right there. That's going to go out to, who's got him? That is Chris G. Coming out to you, Chris G. Very nice. Awesome looking patch there, man. I love it. Nice hit for Chris. All right, next up we have a pure green here, number 210. Hand numbered on that one, Joe Gatto. Let's see, that is going to go to Matt S right there. Matt S, 5 of 10. Joe Gatto, pure green. Nice hit for Matt. Matt S. Yes, sir. Next up, we got a Connor Joe right here. Check that out. Connor Joe. Let's see. That's going to go to John B right there. John B. Very nice. Connor Joe going out to John B. All right. And the last one here. Good one. Let's check this out here. Carlos Rodin right here. Number 3 pick in the MLB draft. Right there. Very nice. That is Todd S. coming to you, sir. Todd S. Very nice. Good one here. Great 2 boxes. That'll do it, guys, for Leaf Trinity 2-box break. 46.90.91. Let's save that for YouTube.